Gung Hei Fat Choi, bitches! Woo! Happy Chinese New Year! It's the year of the ditch pig. Woo! Gotta love a good fucking ditch pig, eh? Alright. Cheers, big ears. I like to celebrate Chinese New Year. Am I Chinese? Nope. Do I want to be? Nope. Do I like Chinese? Yep. So this is what we got going. It's been about 6 months since I did a Asian type video. So I got a couple of ingredients here that I'll have to go through. Got to get some back in the fridge and some back in the freezer. I was supposed to start this last night, but I was pretty fucking schwacked. I was supposed to marinate one of my pork loins because it is the year of the ditch pig. We're doing some pork. We're doing some more drinking. Alright, so I probably am forgetting something, so if you see something later on, say, hey, you didn't have that. Well, tough shit. That's it. So what I got going on here? Pork loin, tenderloin. We're going to do 2 different things with tenderloin. I'm going to try and do a char siu type marinade on one, which is what I was supposed to do last night, but I'm going to try using my food saver and see if that does any difference. We'll see. Alright, so pork tenderloin, bean sprouts, frozen mixed vegetables, a green pepper, green onions, celery, onion, self-rising flour, garlic, snow peas, black pepper, white pepper, Chinese 5-spice, water, fish sauce, canola oil, oyster sauce, sesame oil, baby corn on the cobs, light soy, dark soy, Chinese chili paste. This is a sambal, and I don't have any Zhaojing rice wine, so I'm using sherry. Downing, please bring me my Chinese wine. Hurry. Lemon juice, because they don't have lemons. Honey, sweet and sour sauce. Didn't make any sweet and sour sauce. Hoisin sauce, salt, rice vinegar, Cantonese noodles, sugar, grapeseed oil, carrots, red fermented bean curd, some fast fried beef, and some eggs. Also, I did this yesterday. I was smart enough to do that. Cooked some rice, so I got a bunch of cooked rice here because we're going to make a beef fried rice. And I don't have the patience to make dumplings, and the dish takes a long fucking time. So I got some President's Choice pork and vegetable dumplings. These are really fucking good. I love these. Pork, cabbage, green onion, and ginger. Yeehaw! What I like. Alright, so gotta get some stuff back in the fridge and the freezer. Gotta drink up like a buttercup. Woo! And then we're gonna cook the fuck up. The weather's not cooperating. It's pretty shitty out there, so it's gonna suck doing that. Alright, bitches. I'll be back. Get some fucking prep going. Woo! Alright, bitches. Here we are. Gung Hei Fat Choi. Fuck right off. I don't care if it's right or not. I know it's not, but who gives a fuck? You get my fucking drift, don't you? You don't like it? Fuck right off. Okay, that's our sauce for the dumplings. Remember we made that right at the very fucking beginning? Should have taken that plastic off before, right? Dumbass. Why don't we move shit around? Why don't we put the dumpling sauce beside the dumplings? Dude! Now we're cooking with brains. There's the fucking rice. I know it looks kind of shitty. It's been heated. There's our Cantonese bastard style fucking noodles. The pork in batter. Oh, and I got some sweet and sour sauce to go with that. I do have plum sauce in the fucking fridge too. We gotta cut this fucker up. This fucking pork. Because it is the year of the ditch pig, right, bitches? That's why we got fucking pork and batter, and that's why we got this char siu style fucking pork tenderloin. And unfortunately, yeah, it's way over fucking done. Technical difficulties. I should have heated this. This has been out for a while. Smells fucking amazing, but it is overdone. My fault. Of course it's my fault. I'm the fucking asshole that cooked it. Nobody else fucking cooked it. Okay. Not juicy. Sorry. But you know what? It's gonna taste fucking good. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, and you know what we need with this? Let's cut a piece or two more. Oh, yeah. Oh, fucking A. That's fucking good. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, bitch tards. I'm back. You're too big for on camera. Okay. Rice, I'm using a spoon. You don't like it? Fuck right off. Fucking blow me. Fucking cockhole. Okay. I'm probably missing something. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I'll find it in the morning. Okay. There you go. Oh, and what better to go with a beautiful fucking Chinese style fucking supper than some good fucking German mustard. Woo! This is HMB. This is from him. Hobo sent me the same one too. God bless him. This is like gold. Lowensemp, red. Alright. So, let's try some shit out here. What are we gonna do? Rice. Well, it's the first thing we cooked, so let's try the fucking rice. I know I couldn't make everything all at once, but too fucking bad. Yummy. I like it. Alright, the rice is good. And even though it wasn't overnight, with the fucking food saver thing, I'm pleased with the pork. It's not how it should be, but I'm pleased with it. Good. Alright. Oh, let's get some mustard on that for that pork. Gotta put some fucking mustard down. There you go. Fucking bitchatola. Look at that, eh? Fucking, look at that. Isn't that fucking good? Oh! It is fucking good. Wow! Who knew that could be so tasty? My God. What does this bastard do? How does he know how to make this shit? Oh fuck, that's fucking delicious. That is delicious. Can I operate these fucking things? Probably not. I'm fucked up. I am fucked up. Come here, bitchy. Here, you know what you do? Cheat. Stab the fucker. Fucking cunt. There you go. Oh. That sauce? Fuck me. Very good. Oh, look out, I jet. Now I gotta clean that up. Oh, it's good. That little extra bit of fucking chili paste, not too hot. Fuck me, that's fucking good. Right on. Okay. Here, let's stab a pork ball and try it with some cheap ass, really fluorescent orange fucking store-bought sweet and sour shit. Oh, that's good. Oh, holy fuck. Oh yeah. Come on. Bitcha. Those are fucking delicious. Everything's delicious. I made it. Here you go. Noodles. Well. Come here, bitchy. There you go. Don't want it to drip. Well, I can tell you, I'm probably forgetting something. I don't give a shit. What I've eaten so far is just fucking dynamite. And I challenge any one of you motherfuckers to make a video that makes this many dishes. Yeah, you're all a bunch of fucking pussies, you won't do it. Fucking do it. Fucking cockholes. Oh, he's a drunk, he doesn't know what he's doing. Well, no, I don't know what I'm doing. I know I'm making good food. So, at this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, it's time for a tea. And in honor of Chinese New Year and the year of the ditch pig, our tea today is tiger beer. And where the fuck is MMT? Yeah, fucking cockhole. He's fucking disappeared. Well, this is for you, buddy. Drink up, shut the fuck up, eat the fuck up, and don't bother me. Cheers, big ears. You have no idea what kind of fucking mess I'm gonna have to clean up tomorrow morning, because I ain't doing it tonight. Woo! RTFO, fuck nuts. I gotta finish eating, and I'm gonna play some video games and then go to bed. And it is, look, hey, just after 1 in the morning. So it's been 12 hours since I've been fucking doing this shit. Fuck right off. Wait, I'm gonna burp. There you go. Fuck nuts. That was nice. I like that. There's room for more beer now. Woohoo! Alright, bitches. RTFO. Woo. Ata.